Okay, you guys, so as you know, All-Star Weekend was in Atlanta this year, and it was a young woman who made a GoFundMe account because she said that she went to Atlanta with only $400 and she needed help getting back to New York because she did not have any money. So she said in her bio for her GoFundMe account, I went to Atlanta for All-Star Weekend with $400. Only booked a one-way because I was waiting on my unemployment to pay my way back, but they baited. I need help surviving and making it back home to New York. Please, anything will help. She even posted on her Facebook account. She was like, how my ticket price go from 130 to 1400, and she was like, all these people laughing and I'm stuck in a whole different state. Y'all think everything is funny. So she was basically giving the impression that she was in dire need and in a really bad situation, and people actually donated to her. Now, if you want to pause this video and read these comments, they are hilarious, okay? But yes, people actually donated to her and she ended up with a little over $1,600. But I'm here to tell you guys that if you donated to her, shame on you, because this girl was scamming and she came out and admitted that, look, I lied. Take a listen.
I'm not stuck. It was all jokes from the get-go. Y'all wanted to be serious. Listen, I stole that status from somebody. Matter of fact, let me give a shout out to my son, Nevada. Nevada, I stole that status from you, bro. And I didn't even mean to go viral. I swear to God, I did not mean.
Now, the GoFundMe she had up is no longer available. Now, I'm not really that familiar with GoFundMe, so I don't know if this actually means that GoFundMe has flagged her account or that she has taken the funds. And she does not feel bad for any of this. She posted on her Facebook before she deactivated it, okay, I'm back. I'm not explaining myself no more. I'm gonna keep laughing. I said it was a joke, either laugh or simply SMD. So yes, so this woman got away with everyone's money with no remorse. She called it a joke, and it's really pathetic because it's really people out there who really do need help. And so this makes you not want to trust anyone or not help anyone because you don't know if you're getting scammed or not. So shame on this woman. You should do better, honey. But I want to know what you guys have to say about all of this with this girl. What do you guys feel about her nonchalant, I don't really care attitude? And what do you feel about her calling this a joke? I want to hear what you have to say, so leave your comments below. Do not forget to subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later.